Finding the right electric leaf blower isn't easy, especially if you want powerful airflow, good battery life, and reliable performance. Many options look great, but don't deliver in real use. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best electric leaf blowers, selected for performance, features, and value, so you can choose the right one for your needs. Watch till the end to see which one is the best. Let's get started. Item number 5. This powerful 3-in-1 electric leaf blower is designed to make yard work faster and easier. It works as a blower, vacuum, and mulcher, all in one compact tool. With up to 600 CFM airflow, it can clear large areas with less effort, while the 16:1 mulch ratio reduces big piles of leaves into a manageable size. Its lightweight handheld design and adjustable speed settings make it perfect for both tight corners and open lawns. The quick-release collection bag allows easy disposal, and the corded power ensures consistent performance every time. If you want power, convenience, and efficiency in one machine, this is a great choice for any yard. Item number 4. This powerful cordless electric leaf blower is designed for maximum performance and ease of use. With up to 765 CFM airflow and air speeds reaching 200 mph, it easily clears wet leaves, heavy debris, and tough yard messes. The variable speed trigger allows full control, from light cleaning to powerful turbo mode when needed. Its high-efficiency brushless motor ensures longer runtime, low vibration, and strong durability. Built with a lightweight and ergonomic design, it offers comfortable handling even during long use. With up to 90 minutes of runtime and weather-resistant protection, it is perfect for year-round yard maintenance. If you want power, control, and reliability in one tool, this is a top choice. Item number 3. This cordless leaf blower delivers strong performance with up to 630 CFM airflow and 160 mph wind speed, making yard cleaning quick and effortless. It runs on a 21-volt system with two 4.0-hour batteries for longer runtime. The included fast charger allows quick recharging, while the battery indicator keeps you updated. Its advanced motor provides powerful airflow with low noise, and the adjustable constant speed knob enables continuous use without finger fatigue. Lightweight, easy to assemble, and comfortable to hold, it's ideal for lawns, patios, gardens, dust, and light snow. If you want power, comfort, and portability together, this is a great choice. Item number 2. This powerful cordless leaf blower, vacuum, and mulcher combo is designed for fast and efficient yard cleanup. With up to 120 mph airspeed and a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers strong performance with long runtime and consistent power. It easily converts from blower to vacuum, allowing you to clear leaves and debris from driveways, decks, and gardens without any hassle. The built-in mulching system can reduce up to 6 bags of leaves into just 1, saving time and space. Lightweight and easy to handle, it features a 6-speed dial for better control, a soft grip handle for comfort, and a low-noise design for quiet operation. Perfect for home use, it makes outdoor cleaning simple and effective. Item number 1. This powerful corded electric leaf blower is built for fast and efficient yard cleaning. With up to 600 CFM airflow, it delivers a strong, wide stream of air that clears large areas quickly with fewer passes. Powered by advanced turbine fan technology, it produces high-speed performance while staying surprisingly quiet. The 2-speed control lets you switch between light cleaning for tight spaces and full power for open lawns. Its lightweight 6.5-pound design allows easy one-hand operation, making it comfortable to use for longer periods. The ergonomic build and concentrated nozzle help tackle tough debris with precision. Perfect for lawns, driveways, and patios, this blower combines power, control, and durability, making outdoor cleaning faster and easier than ever. Which of these electric leaf blower is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.